Hello and welcome to Kakafina channel. My name is Loma and today we are going to mix green polishes. I have brought the entirety of my green polishes in this beautiful little yellow bag, not sponsored by Little as of now. I am pouring outside because I don't want the smell of my home, and also I wanted to photosynthesize a little bit at the same time because I am a multitasking woman. I have 14 polishes that I would consider green, well, except one of them, and that's Devil's Ivy. But Mooncat says it's green, so it's the only color I disagree that is green, but okay, let's consider that green for now, for this video. Wait, can I blind you with this polish? Let me just oh, she blinded by the lights. Plankton. My bugs. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Prickly Pear. Drown My Demons. I'm like a crow. I like anything shiny. Poison Ivy. Velociraptor. Fields of Elysium. There's a bee on me. Oh, she ran away. She didn't like the polishes. Devil's Ivy. Beautiful. Beowulf. The Stranger. This is my type of green. If you see this type of green, tag me. The muddier, the better. Mad Hatter. Access denied. Oh my goodness. It could blind men. And end the wars. Garden of Evil. I forgot for a moment. I also have an empty Speed Demon top coat bottle, so we are going to be mixing in that. I have a spare Mooncat brush in case the Speed Demon brush that is in the bottle is too hard. I have a tiny little funnel. Yes, it's a very tiny funnel. And I have some bowls. Even, you see, I'm like super prepared to mix the colors. And let's begin. See you after the time lapse. I try to eyeball at the best of my ability. I think I will wait a bit until some of the polish will drop in, and I will have some spare time to do nothing, which is always a plus. Don't look at my face, look at the polish. I think it's drying in the funnel right now. Yeah, I can see it's drying. What I'm curious to see if it will magnetize the color that we will create, and also will it slightly glow in the dark because of my bugs. Oh, the old brush is quite stiff, so I'm gonna be using the new one from Mooncat. You can buy their brushes separately, which I do love. Just look at this. Whoa, this is gorgeous. As a world's first green color expert, I approve of this. I have never seen such beauty in my entire life. Now let's mix it up. There's so many shiny things in it, and also so many greens. I of course prefer this muddy green over that darker green, but you know. I apologize, friends. Okay guys, I think this is as good as I'm gonna go. Can you see the glow? Oh yes, we have everything in here. Look at that. It's not mixed all the way on some parts, but please ignore, I'm just too lazy to mix it all the way through. What do we think? Oh my goodness, that was like so simply of me. I apologize. So what do you guys have in mind about this beautiful polish? Is it beautiful or is it not beautiful? Okay, now I'm gonna go home. I will remove the manicure I have right now, put this on. See you soon. For the record, if you are going to try the mixing yourself, then put in a bit more polish than I did, just because it will be difficult to get it out of the bottle, and it actually was for me. I was struggling for my life there for sure to get the polish out, but I didn't want to put in more because of two reasons. I didn't know if I would like the color, and also I have a few discontinued greens like my Bugs or Tyrannosaurus Hex. I don't want to ruin or separate from them just yet, because honestly I wear these colors a lot and I love them also a lot. Also, I think it would be just wiser to use a cork or something for these experiments first, because you never know what shade you are going to get. I talk about it as if you were going to do this. Oh my, I feel like a true nail polish nerd now. A very clearly heard noise is from my cat, and I apologize. She found herself a very noisy paper bag. Well, I'm sure someone will find my suggestions useful, but it's probably going to be me only. I often rewatch my own videos, so basically like half of my video views is probably by one and only me, the forgetful green queen, because I truly forget how to do them. So my polish, let's call it Tickle My Pickle, is fully opaque in 2 coats. Though a bit gooey, okay, a lot gooey, I managed to put it on after the excruciating struggle. I could have used some thinner, however I was afraid to make the polish too liquidy. The shade itself reminds me of the old ugly polish from Gelish, a runway for the money from back in the days of me attending beauty school. God, I hate gel polishes. And that muddy nonsense they dare to call green polish honestly does look like it was allegedly created on a whim with all the other green polish leftovers. Allegedly. But I am just a hater, so don't listen to me. Or do, I'm not the boss of you. I think Tickle My Pickle looks a bit better simply because it has all that glitters and shimmers from all the polishes we combined. Sadly, it doesn't magnetize nor glow in the dark. I tried that and it didn't work. In the clips you are seeing here, the swatches are made with Speed Demon top coat on top, in the sun, in the shade, and under a flash. Thank you for your attention. Now back to me. Now it's the next day, and I removed Tickle My Pickle as soon as I could, because after some time I started to hate that polish, kind of, on my own fingers, you know. And I wore the polish for around 12 hours because apparently I am into self-torture. For the next time, I think I would mix warm-toned greens and cool-toned greens separately, because I think that would make more sense, since it wouldn't create that muddy kind of vomit shade. And don't get me wrong, some vomit shades are like pretty good, but not the one we created yesterday. I kind of wish to vomit from the color of vomit we created yesterday, if that makes sense. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in a few mental breakdowns as usual. Bye!